Morning. This is Keerthiga Elango, Assistant Professor, belongs to Department of Chemistry. Today, I am going to discuss structure of an ecosystem. So, concept of an ecosystem. So, here we are going to see definition of the ecology. Study of relationship between organisms and the environment is known as ecology. The term coined by Ernest Haeckel. An ecosystem. The structural and functional unit of ecology is known as ecosystem. The term ecosystem was coined by Tansley. Next we see structure and function of an ecosystem. So here functional unit is divided into two, that is biotic and abiotic. So biotic includes autotrophic and heterotrophic. So abiotic means non-living components like light, temperature, inorganic and organic components. Now we'll see structure of an ecosystem, which is divided further classification. So ecosystem is divided into two already discussed, that is biotic and abiotic. So abiotic includes climatic factors and edaphic factors, that is non-living components, and biotic components includes producers, consumers and decomposers. So let us see in detail about biotic components. So biotic components is divided into three, that is producers, consumers and decomposers. So producers. So producers are also called as autotrophs. So these are self-regulating groups. Autotrophs means self-regulating groups. So this is again divided into two types, that is photoautotrophs and chemoautotrophs. So photoautotrophs are nothing but by using sunlight, it prepares their own food. So here we can say all the terrestrial plants are called as photoautotrophs. The next chemoautotrophs. By using chemicals it prepares its own food. So that is called as chemoautotrophs. Some aquatic plants where sunlight is negligible, so in that region it uses chemicals to produce its own food. Next, consumers. Consumers are heterotrophs. So these are depends upon other organisms, other plants. Here herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous and detritivorous. So herbivorous are called as plant eaters, so which depends upon producers. Hence they are also called as primary consumers. So carnivorous, so which depends upon meat eaters. So they are called as secondary and tertiary consumers. And next omnivorous, which intakes both plants and meat. So example we can take human beings. So detritivorous, so which feeds on waste and dead matter. So example we can say ant and termites. And decomposers. So decomposers which feeds on dead organic matter. So like scavengers we can take example vulture, and we can take example of microorganisms. So with this we complete structure of an ecosystem.